it's set in. Now you can also do all these menus working on the front of the radio using the buttons on the radio. So if you want to enter the main menu, press the function button, and then we use the VM and the main to go up and down through the menus. Once we've selected a menu that we want, so we can be on wide here, or you may want narrow, so just press the up and down buttons and that will select whichever one you want, and then we just press the function to store and exit, and then we're back to the normal screen. So it is quite easy. There's nothing fantastically difficult about it. You get a manual with all these instructions with the radio, so you should be able to have a look and sort them out yourself. But I've only gone through the basic menus here, I've got hiccups, just to give you a start on setting the radio up initially. So that's the basic settings for the Anytone 80779UV. Now we'll be taking this radio out and be doing a field test with it in the next couple of days. I'm going to take it in the car, stick my mag mount on the roof and see what kind of calls we get, other than sat in my kitchen slash shack. The wife calls it the kitchen for some reason, I don't know why. So we will get set up in the car, take it out, go for a run, park somewhere convenient, and see if we can reach, say, a Lincoln repeater, a Doncaster repeater and things like that. They're anywhere between 15 and 20 miles away. I'm kind of hoping, fingers crossed, it shouldn't be a problem, and we'll put some general calls out and see if we can pick anybody up on general calls. Right, so that's the basic, like I say, that's the basic setup for this radio. There are a lot more in-depth menus on it, but I couldn't see the point in going into them, not for the moment anyway. I'm not that fantastically familiar, I'll put my teeth in, not that fantastically familiar with it as yet. As time goes on, I'll get more used to it, and I'll learn more and more of the functions. But as long as you know how to change the squelch, change the power, set up CT, CSS codes, etc, 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 you can get started on this cracking little radio.